I welcome you all to this next session of our cloud computing. Today we are going to discuss the very new cloud platform, that is a Salesforce cloud platform, which is related to the application of, actually it's a one kind of application of cloud computing in the field of CRM and management. We will see how it is actually working. Okay, we will start with the presentation. No, this is the Salesforce at our third chapter. It is they are given some of the cloud platforms to be learned, like a Google, Salesforce, Microsoft Azure, and AWS from the Amazon. Out of that, today we are going to discuss regarding the Salesforce. As we have seen in the video, it's related to the customer retail, what we can say the CRM, then the marketing, moreover, and how we can connect with the customer. That is a customer relationship management. Let's move further. That's the introduction of Salesforce. Is a one company owned by the Extensia. Extensia is a one multinational company. They have come up with a CRM cloud-based application named as Salesforce. It's an introduction to the cloud computing and CRM on the same platform. Means the mixture of both, that how CRM can be run on the using cloud computing. Now we have gone through all these details. That's what do we mean by the cloud computing. That's enable companies to utilize. Now this is the one kind of definition with respect to the organization that enables companies to utilize the computing resources, everything from the application to data centers over the internet on a pay-per-use basis. That is a, you can say, the commercial definition of cloud computing with respect to the stakeholder or organization end user. Data and programs are stored access over the internet instead of the user's hard drive, that we all know. These are the cloud computing models. Software as a service at the top, then the underlying is a platform, and underlying is the infrastructure as a service. Okay, that's a platform as a service, software as a service, and infrastructure as a service. These are the three cloud computing models we have discussed many times, and in this Salesforce also there will be the mix of these three cloud computing models as per the requirement of the particular end user or organization. We have seen that software as a service, it provides ready online software solutions. Software provider has the complete control on the application. That's the whole use of cloud computing. Everything is maintained by the vendor or CSP, whereas on a platform as a service provide the pre-built application only to the client, and client need not to worry about the basic infrastructure, underlying infrastructure for the developing or any other technical work like testing or deploying their applications. Infrastructure as a service, which is a basic one that provide infrastructures, only infrastructure component to the client, and that component include the resources such as the server, networking, storage, data center, etc. That is the infrastructure as a service. Please mark your attendance. Now, what are the cloud computing benefit? Elasticity, cost, addresses on the premise issue, and automatic software updates. We have seen and discussed these points many times, right from the first session to till. So I'm not going to in detail of that particular benefit points of the cloud computing. We will move further to the customer relationship management. What do we mean by the customer relationship management? Let me share one video with you, then we will discuss this particular slide. Let me stop this share and share the next video to you. If there is any problem, please let me know through the chat box.
If you've been asking yourself about CRM and wondering just exactly how it works for a business, well, let's find out.
Mark your attendance, please.
Customer relationship management is a business strategy that puts the focus on meeting the needs for your customer. It does this by utilizing advanced technologies to organize, automate, and integrate the marketing, sales, and customer service components of your business. Let me show you how it works. So let's meet Jeff. See, not too long ago, Jeff began his new business. And while things may have started out slow, it wasn't long before Jeff developed a strong following and began to build his customer foundation. So having already heard about some of the benefits in implementing CRM into one's business, Jeff decided to do just that and bring on a team that would help move his business to the next level. This included a marketing team, a sales department, and a staff for customer support. After getting a marketing strategy in place, Jeff began to notice the benefits right away. By being able to see what leads were generated from each campaign, this allowed him to better understand the success of his marketing approach. And by tracking the revenue generated from the leads of these campaigns, Jeff was now able to calculate rather than speculate his marketing success. As soon as the leads were generated, they were immediately passed off to Jeff's sales department. With a CRM application implemented into your business, you now have built-in automation processes that graduate the steps in a sales cycle to get your team organized and efficient. So as your company begins to expand and diversify, a CRM application will do the same to help your business continue on the road to success. A CRM application will help maintain the most important and valuable information about your customers. It's always tailored to fit the needs of your business organization and give you exactly what you need about the people you're working with. A customer service component of a CRM application helps to make sure that all of your customers' needs and concerns are taken care of. Jeff's support team just received a call about a broken bottle upon delivery. All of these issues are logged into your database where they are easily monitored and maintained. And just in case your business has any processes that involves you having to be out of the office, no worries. A CRM application is fully equipped to be able to access from any mobile device, including cell phones and tablets. This mobility allows for you to update and make changes in real time to keep everyone in your team on the same page. A CRM application is more than just software. Rather, it's a key to your business solution. What is CRM? You can tell them. Begin a new focus on your business. So the next time someone asks you, what is CRM? You can tell them, it's my customers. It's my relationships I've built with them and how I manage my business to make sure that they remain in the center of everything that I do. That's what CRM is.
Okay, we will let me stop this video. Yes. Now we will move. Come back to our PPT. I hope it is visible to you now. Okay, that is a customer relationship management. That nothing but to manage the customer, partners, all stakeholders should be managed by organizing all the information at one place. That is the main purpose of CRM. It's like a tool to help the business, okay, and to track the client transactions, interactions, data and document, analyze and track the important matrices. Teams can work together both internally and externally to achieve the CRM. That's a CRM means just nothing. It's not only the marketing, it not only the service or support, it not only the quality, it's a mix of all, and that is nothing but the customer relationship management. Now what do we mean by the Salesforce? It's a web-based company, web-based cloud computing company best known for its CRM applications only. It facilitates the sales and marketing professionals. What is the history? It has been evolved founded by the Oracle executive Mark Benioff, along with the Parker Harris, Dave Mentrop, and Frank Dmimcs in 1999. Initially, it was only a software as a service company specialized in a sales automation software, but now they are the full-fledged. They are working as a full-fledged cloud service provider. That is the evolution of Salesforce. They have acquisition They have acquired they have the Jigsaw in for the 142 millions. Data.com, that's then the Heroku. Salesforce to buy the exact target for the 2.5 billion. Dash.com marketing cloud, its exact target is, that is nothing but the brief or evaluation related to the Salesforce. We will move further. Now, what kind of products they are having nowadays? Today they are having the products. Now, all these words you have gone through that video. Those who were present during that very first video, these all the words were there. All like a sales cloud, service cloud, marketing, community, app cloud, IoT based cloud, and web analytics or analytics cloud. Okay. Now, these are the products offered by the Salesforce company using the cloud computing technology to maintain or to achieve the CRM objective of any organization. We'll move further. Now, what do you mean by the sales cloud? Remember, this is one kind of cloud platforms, Salesforce, and obviously they have given the 3 to 4 cloud platform to learn. One of that is a Salesforce, including others are the Google is there, Google Cloud, then the Microsoft Azure, then the AWS is there. Out of any one of these, there obviously will the one case study or one big question will be, short note question will be there. To be prepared accordingly. I am going to share this PPT at a group and Google Classroom our Sales Cloud. Okay, coming back, it's a customizable product for managing the accounts and details of the business opportunities. It facilitates the collaborating conveniently with the partners using the chatter. It's software based or software as a service product for the browser based access, and it also available as a mobile app. Offers a range of cloud based tools to increase productivity and lets user keep all CRM or customer information in a one platform. If any one of you have visited the Salesforce website, I request you to visit the Salesforce website. They are giving the 30 days free subscription of their cloud computing users. Subscribe to that particular free version and do visit and analyze that what kind of services they are providing. What actually means by the marketing cloud or service cloud or any other cloud, so that you will get to know what we are learning. Okay, now this is a service cloud. Latecomers, mark your attendance. I am repeatedly saying that many of you are not marking your attendance. It will be harmful to you at the end of semester, so please mark your attendance. Don't forget at the chat box. A platform, Service Cloud is a platform that enables users to deliver the smarter, faster, or more personalized service to their end user. It facilitates users to automate the service processes and offers users a call center like look. It's like a service, okay, and feel where they can automatically route and escalate the important cases in addition to creating and tracking them. It's like a call center like look or environment through the service cloud, which is provided by the Salesforce to their end users organization. Okay, Marketing Cloud, a product that enables marketers to create and manage the marketing campaign, that is called as a Marketing Cloud. It includes solutions for customer journey management, all social media management like email, mobile, or any other personalization of the web, advertisement or content creation, management, and data analysis component. That particular Marketing Cloud has a components like Journey Builder, Social Studio, and Mobile Studio. These are the components under the Marketing Cloud provided by the Salesforce. It has also the Analytics Builder, Email Studio, Advertising Studio, and Web Studio. These are the tools available under the Marketing Cloud. जैसे मैंने अभी आपको बताया कि enjoy that free subscription on the Salesforce. I again request you to please visit that website salesforce.com and enjoy that free version or free subscription, so that you will get to know what actually mean by all these tools under the Marketing Cloud. Okay, theories before you or it will be available to you, but to analyze and actually experience that tools is a very much enjoying or like a delighting nature. So please subscribe to that particular Salesforce. Next one. Now it's a community cloud. It's an online platform that allows companies to connect the customers, partners, and employees with each other, enables companies to simplify the business processes internally and externally both, and thus enhancing the effectiveness and the efficiency of that organization and its ecosystem. That is a basic means community cloud. See, any system is not an isolated one. No system can run in isolation or ideally. They have to interact with the internal and external resources. They have to make them satisfied. They have to work accordingly their needs and their requirement. And to manage all this, there is a need of a concept like community cloud, because community is nothing but your all end user, stakeholders of your organization, your system, ecosystem. Okay, and that's how it's working. And for what is there in for the internal users like employee, for employees it has a better connectivity and interaction among the employees across the departments, offices, and countries. It enables the employees to find the information easily about the onboarding, payroll means whatever the functional departments are there, they will be easily marked by the employee, internal employees like HR and IT help desk are there. Community cloud for consumer, in the community cloud for consumer they have been community cloud allows the customers to find out the required information and assist each other by leveraging service features significantly, and thus significantly increasing the customer satisfaction. Obviously if you are making your customers tracking customer use easy, you're making your screens user friendly, obviously customer will be satisfied and happy, and thus customers can track their accounts and join their customers reviews, give the add reviews and suggest improvement for the product. You just analyze all this point with respect to the any Amazon like portal, Amazon or Flipkart or any Snapdeal like portal, wherein they are providing all such things. For partners, what is there in a cloud, community cloud, it allows the partners to share the access to whole channel to the selected resources as per the requirement, helps businesses to ensure that the sales process runs smoothly. That is there for the partners. Now what do you mean by the app cloud? That's the next concept. App cloud is nothing but a platform as a service product from the Salesforce. App Cloud is nothing but a platform as a service product from the Salesforce. It facilitates user to develop and manage the apps by the providing the infrastructure and resources, network, database, servers, securities, and more. Additionally, it also provides the tools for integrating and connecting data from other sources like Oracle, external data sources like Oracle, SAP, or any other like MSFT. It's a Salesforce CRM and Sales Cloud is built on the App Cloud. We will move further. App Cloud is, for example, force.com, Heroku. These are the examples of the App Cloud. Its apex is used for the programming language force.com, a platform for developing and deploying cloud-based employee-facing apps to its multi-tenant servers. Heroku, it's a platform used for developing and deploying cloud-based external-facing scalable apps for the customer rather than employee-facing and internal apps. In addition to the apps, Ruby on Rails, Node, .js, Python, Java, others can be used as a programming languages. That is the details with respect to the Heroku application and concept. Now, what do you mean by the IoT cloud? A platform that is designed to connect the data from Internet of Things to the Salesforce allowing user to engage with their customer by initiating real-time responses to the in turn enhancing the customer experiences. That is a IoT cloud. It powered by the Thundered Salesforce event processing engine, which is a Salesforce event processing engine, which is capable of handling huge amount of data generated by all IoT connected devices, and thus providing tools that allow user to respond to the significant event at the right time. That is a IoT cloud under the Salesforce, provided by the Salesforce. Now, what do you mean by the web analytics? Web analytics is also called as the analytic cloud, a business intelligence BI platform which facilitate data visualization or presentation through the pictorial representation of data, including charts, graphs, and more. Audio-visual presentation is possible by using the web analytics or analytics cloud. It is betterly known as easy to use on mobile devices, including smartphones, tablets, and more. Can be integrated with other clouds like Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, and Marketing Cloud. That's the main aim of the analytic cloud, that to do the analytics on the data available on the other clouds like sales, service, and marketing, and using the analytics to provide and present, generate the data visualization through the pictorial representation. Now, what are the advantages of Salesforce? The first advantage, it has an ecosystem of consultant, development, boutiques, etc. Cloud, app exchange, consult are the constant feature addition. Then the accessibility is the second advantage. Easy to integrate with other system, easy to learn. Data security and privacy is the next advantage. With the Salesforce Trust community is the then the ease of development and customizability. It is customizable as per the requirement. Drag and drop development is there. These are some of the advantages. Now, what do you mean by the extensia and Salesforce connectivity? Salesforce product development partner. Extensia is a Salesforce product development partner with a focus on enterprise mobility, design, and integration. It's a dedicated center of excellence established in 2011. Current competencies of the Extensia are the integration, migration of the cloud, mobility and design of the cloud, advantage of in-house design and mobility teams. Extensia apps on the App Exchange or Google are the map plotter and business email templates for the Salesforce. Extensia, further connectivity between the Extensia and Salesforce, map plotter premium, a Salesforce One mobile, a lightning ready sales for productivity app. It's that enables the conversion of addresses into coordinate to map them and use the optimal routes, search and manage the leads per their location, find the clusters, filter the search, and more. Business email templates for the Salesforce. It helps the user to send a great looking professional emails to the customers and Salesforce business contacts within a minute. That's how you can keep yourself in contact with your customers and your stakeholders. Now this is the Extensia Information Technology Network. It has a mobile apps, then design in-house design studio, then the startup consulting, extend Techquilarium is showcases are there, usability cases are there, connectivity and Extensia Sakar community is also there. Okay, that is something. Now we will again see one video of the Salesforce wherein they are describing how actually Salesforce is working. I will going to share the first video which many of you, some of you might have seen or miss. This is the Salesforce video.
Hi, I'm James. This is Whiteboard Wednesday, and today we ask the question, what is Salesforce? So you got all your company information, you put it up in the cloud, you mix it with a great CRM, and boom, you've got Salesforce. So, being a CRM, it's going to have your standard stuff of contact information, accounts information, lead flow, reporting, great features. But here's a few features that often get overlooked that are really important with Salesforce. One, it's on mobile, so anytime you need information, you can get it right from your phone. You don't have to be in the office. It has web to lead, so when someone submits a contact us or get more info page on your website, you're not waiting for someone in the company to submit that form out to the sales team. It's already put up in Salesforce. Branded email. You're sending out a lot of hellos, goodbyes, product info to your potential customers and clients. This is a great way to have a standard template so that you're consistent in your messaging and it saves time. And Chatter. You don't need to go out to an outside messaging service or software anymore. All of this can be kept in Salesforce, so they have all information right in one place. It's a great aggregate. And so with that, you've got this great dashboard to access all this information, because at the end of the day, your company product info, customer info, it's really this massive database. And when you put it through Salesforce, what it does is it can help you make sense of all that info, keep track of it, keep on task, and make the really big decisions. So that's Salesforce. Go ahead and check it out. And that's this Whiteboard Wednesday. I'm James. Thanks.
I hope that this particular video and PPT have given you idea of the Salesforce cloud platform. It's like one of the cloud computing platform provided by the Salesforce Extensia company. As I have told you sometime before at our WhatsApp group, that is now Salesforce will be the future cloud computing platform, as like Google GCP is their cloud, Google Cloud Platform, or Amazon AWS or Microsoft Azure. Salesforce is coming out with the more and more stakes in the market, and that can be one of the potential career for many of you to join such a Salesforce clientele and Salesforce company. I'm going to share all these details on our group PPT and video on our group and Google Classroom. Do visit the Google Classroom regularly. Here, if there are any issues, any questions, please let me share. At the next session, we are going to discuss the next cloud computing platform of the Google or Azure. Let me conclude this session. Thank you. I expect that all of you mark your attendance.